Hello guys! Welcome ulit sa aking channel. And today's upload ay bumili kami ng TV together with my wife. This is unplanned guys kasi yung plan namin is pupunta lang dito at titingin-tingin lang muna ng mga presyo ng TV. Pero napasubo kami guys kaya ayan at bumili na kami. TV guys. Ano nga brand?
Differential
ka na.
Differential.
Pero bayarin ko pa kuno.
Katas ng differential. Or
Pero,
katas ng maternity pay.
maternity pay. Dahil maternity mo eh.
O kung kasabi kung maternity or differential ang nagsabi.
Pina kami guys.
Hindi siya PBB. Hindi siya
Meron na
hindi
kaming
siya
TV
bonus.
guys. Diba? So nakapili na kami guys ng TV sa mga one of their displays at yung napili namin na brand is Devant. At ayan guys, at pinaset up na namin siya dito sa nag-cater sa amin. So yung plano namin na bibili pa lang, ayan at natupad na on the spot. At ayan guys, at hinihingi na yung aming details just in case na merong magka-problema sa TV. Also, kung hindi kami marunong mag-set up gamit yung wifi. At sinabihan ko si Mrs. na siya na lang yung mag-take charge. Ayan guys, at ready to pay na kami sa aming TV. At yung TV namin guys na binili is mura lang kasi sale yung aming pinagbilhan dito. Kasi sabi nila, bumababa daw ang presyo tuwing December time. So, hindi ko na guys i-mention kung magkano yung amount. So, ayan guys, at binibilang na ni Mrs. yung kanyang budget para sa TV. So, meron pala siyang budget para dito. At para din meron kaming TV sa bahay. Kasi guys, yung aming pinagkakaabalahan lang dun sa bahay namin is video okay lang. So, decide namin na bumili kami ng TV para meron kaming mapanood na magaganda. At syempre guys, para makapanood kami ng mga movies at kung mag-video okay kami, syempre gagamitin namin yung TV para malaki yung screen. O di ba guys? Excited kami. We've already brought our TV guys there at the back. Yun yung may brand na yung may 3 letters na makita nyo sa likuran. Ayun yung Dev. Yung brand is Devant, and then we also added electric fan. Ayan. So the brand is Hanabishi. Ayan. So we're looking for Camel pero hindi available yung Camel nila. Maybe in their main office. But here, Hanabishi lang yung available. So yun, Hanabishi na lang yung binili namin. So we have 2 appliances na binili, the TV and the Hanabishi electric fan. And we also added some stuff here at the back, DIY for our necessities and essentials in our house. Ayan. So that's all guys. So we are very happy with my wife that we already purchased the things that we wanted in our house. So some are not yet bought, but we are planning. Alright, so that's all guys for the vlog.